What up, y'all? Coach Doms again, Long Beach area coordinator at WeBreak, and today we're going to be learning Zulu spin. So for Zulu spin, we want to start down in our zero position, and once more, we're going to put our hand down and our leg out. As usual, make sure it's same hand, same leg on that same side. And just like our CC, we're also turning over that straight leg as well. For Zulu spin, I want to turn up into an R freeze, continue my spin, and land back on that same foot. So with me, we're going to do R freeze, toe down, and then we got to switch our hands to connect. Then we're going to head back this way by switching our hands and legs. So I switch. Now I'm headed back over this straight leg. R freeze, toe down, switch hands. All right, so we're going to go real slow, back and forth. Switch, spin, toe down, switch. Spin, toe down, switch. All right, once you get this move down, you can go across the floor really far. Okay. Peace. See you on the next one.